to you all about this Feels So detachable shower head. This is a filtered shower head, so there's a small filter in here. Sort of allows you to get rid of or filter out hard water, especially if you live in a place with hard water like we do here in Los Angeles. So very, very nice. Replaces with our old shower head. Super easy to put on, to detach the old one that we had and put this on. Universal fit, so should fit in any shower head. There are a bunch of different settings which you can click on and off with this little clicker here. Different nozzle spray settings, which is nice. If you don't like really, really hard streams. You have this nice long steel hose right here, which makes it handheld, easy to pull off, which is great, so it gets it out of the way. We have this smaller shower in one of our bathrooms, so it's nice to have that ability to put it over here while you're like washing off your body or whatever, so the water's not spraying on you, and then move it back. Very flexible. Also has this little cleaning portion on the top right here, so you can switch it and it'll spray a pretty hard spray of water off the top to clean your shower. Really nice too. Overall, highly recommended for anyone looking for a filtered shower head.